Apprentices don't do any real work. That is ridiculous. No, this is not right. Oh my. Apprenticeships don't offer career progression. No. I'm Aqsa Ullah. I'm a third assistant apprentice, and today I'm here to debunk some myths about solicitor apprenticeships. This is a very interesting one. Apprenticeships are just for those who want to become tradespeople, not lawyers. The apprenticeship for me has been such an amazing route, and it's given me such great opportunities I can't even put into words. I can't list them all. The fact that if I had read this and I could have been prevented from having those experiences makes me very angry. It is for everybody, and there's so many careers. So no, this is not right. Oh my God. Okay. Apprentices don't do any real work. That is ridiculous. Absolutely, yes, you do. That's all I do 4 days a week. I honestly, I think it's just a very old, dated perception of apprenticeships. Yes, I do it less than if you're an actual qualified associate or trainee at the firm, but I do real work. I'm not just printing and photocopying all day. I promise you, they would not pay me to do that. I don't know where that's really come from or why it's stuck, but we need to change it, please. This one is, solicitor apprenticeships are for people who don't qualify for university. Let's just sit with that for a minute. I did get offers from university. I applied to apprenticeships 3 years in a row because, spoiler alert, they're very competitive and it's not easy. And apprenticeships, you have to think about the benefits of it. It's 6 years, you're being paid a salary, you're going to have no student loans. Okay, we like this one. A solicitor apprentice is no different to a trainee. I'll tell you why I like this one. Yes, there are differences. You know, we haven't got a degree, we haven't got foundational knowledge, but as somebody at a law firm, I'm not treated in any way different than a trainee. Our structure is very similar. We rotate in 6-month periods like the trainees do. There's no difference there at all. You don't feel a gap in knowledge, you know, no one makes you feel like you're any less than a trainee because you haven't gone to university. There are basic differences, but overall, we like this one. Apprenticeships don't offer career progression. So apprenticeships, as you hopefully will know, it's a 6-year program. And at the end of that program, you're qualified to be an associate, right? Compared to university students who will do the training contract and then qualify as an associate. I think absolutely, you know, for career progression, which really relies on you having a bunch of skills and being a well-rounded individual, that's what apprenticeships give you. You know, it makes you a well-rounded individual. So, myth busted. Not true. Okay, this myth is, applying for a sister apprenticeship is too difficult. Now, the application process for a sister apprenticeship is very similar as a training contract. Yes, it can be difficult in the process. There's a lot of steps. And yes, it can be difficult when you're balancing it, especially with school and with extracurriculars and hobbies and applying to university as well. But the process itself isn't. Like, the content itself is fine. You can prepare for it. Everything will work out in the end. Trust me. There were so many times that I was just so tired. I thought, you know what, it was it all for waste? These years I just wasted. But it really wasn't. So I think, you know, you just gotta have to keep pushing and believe in yourself. Just never give up. And I think, you know, you never know what you can achieve. You just have to believe in yourself. You're always benefiting in some positive way from putting yourself out of your comfort zone. For more information, you can go to the Law Society's information page on sister apprenticeships. They have some great resources there. So go after this video and check that out.